Hello students, the question is from computer organization. Question is, consider a memory system consisting of main memory and two-way set associative cache with the following parameters. Okay, so the main memory size they have given as, main memory size is 16 megabyte. Okay, cache size is what? Cache size is 64 kilobyte, and cache block per line size they have given as 4 bytes. Okay, and then main memory is byte addressable, so we have to calculate the number of bits for tag and the set field in the memory address for the cache reference. So mainly you know that in the memory field we have three part. One is the tag, one is set, and one is offset, or you can say as word. Okay, word or offset, fine. So now how many lines are there total? Okay, first lines we have to calculate there. Let's calculate the total number of lines. There are total of, see, cache size is 64 and cache block per line size is 4 bytes. Okay, so 64 divided by 4, so kilobytes by bytes, so kilo is into 1024, right? So this byte will get cancelled out and this will be 16, so 16 into 1024. Okay, so it means 16 into 384 lines. So what does it mean? So total of 8192 sets of 2 lines each. So if you are calculating 8192 sets, so what will be the value? So the bits required will be how much? So it will be 2 to the power 13. So this 2 to the power 13 is nothing but 8192. So therefore bits will be 13 bits. So that will be the bits required for the set field. Okay, so now you already know that now main memory consists of how many bytes? 16 megabyte. Okay, so how many block it will contain? So main memory blocks, so 16 divided by 4, so this will be something equals to 4194304. Okay, because it is megabyte, so we have to keep the value, so it will do about 22 blocks. Okay, and but we know that set plus tag will be the number of blocks, block bits, so it will be this. So this is 13 plus tag, so this will be 22, so tag will become how much? 9. So tag bits will be 9. So this will be 9, this will be 13, and it is 24. So this will be 2. So we have required only 9 and 13. So tag is 9, set is 13. So answer is B. Thank you.